Chapter 2.2, Day 1, Characteristics of Quadratic Function Notes, Word Problem number 36. Instructions. X is the horizontal distance in feet and Y is the vertical distance in feet. Find and interpret the coordinates of vertex. The path of a shot put released at an angle of 35 degrees, so this is an angle, can be modeled by the equation y equals negative 0.01x squared plus 0.7x plus 6. So you can see that this is the equation that is given in the form of a standard form, and we can compare it as y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and we can identify a, b, and c easily from this equation. So first thing we are going to do is to answer this question here. What are we looking for? So we're looking for the vertex. Vertex is the point that is either the highest or the maximum point in the graph or the lowest. If the parabola opens down, the vertex is going to be the highest point on the graph. So we are looking for the vertex. So first we are going to identify A, B, and C. So A is negative 0.01, B is 0.7, C is 6. We are looking for the vertex, and for that we are going to find the x value to find the vertex. So x is negative b over 2a, where b is 0.7 and a is negative 0.01. When you multiply them, you're going to get this. Negative cancel, and you can use the calculator if you like to, or move the decimal 2 places here. You're going to add 2 zeros on the top. So it's going to look like 70 divided by 2, that is 35. So the horizontal distance is going to be 35, which is x. Now we are going to find the vertical distance, or find the y value. So use the given equation and plug it in 35 for x to find the y value. Again, you can use the calculator for that. So when you plug the x value as 35 in the given equation, here you're going to get 1225 multiplied by this one, you're going to get negative 12.25, and this expression would be 24.5 plus 6, and you're going to get the y value as the 18.5. Again, the y value is always considered as the height, and then x value is always considered as your horizontal distance from here. So now the vertex is going to be 35 comma 18.25. So now the vertex is going to be 35 comma 18.25, means the horizontal distance is 35 and then the vertical distance is 18.25. So what we know about this problem, that the maximum height of the shot is going to be 18.25, that is the y value or the y coordinate of the vertex. Now you're gonna pause the video and do number 6. So for the different problem, for word problem, is a soft ball hits a ball whose path is modeled by this function fx equals negative 0.0005x squared plus 0.2127x plus 3, where x is the distance from home plate in feet and y is the height of the ball above the ground in feet. What is the highest point this ball will reach? If the ball was hit to center field, which was an 8-foot fence located 410 feet from home plate, was this hit a home run? Explain. So first thing you want to do is to find the height or the vertex y coordinate. So you identify what is A, B, and C from this equation. So you find the axis of symmetry or the x coordinate of the y by using the formula negative b over 2a. So you choose the b, this value, and the a is this value, And when you use the calculator to solve, you're going to get the x equals 212.7, and that is axis of symmetry. Use this value to plug it in for x, and that's where you're going to get your y value, or the height of the ball. So you plug it in to 212.7 square and for the x value, and solve this. You can use the calculator to solve it. You got the height is 25.62. So the height of the ball will reach 25.62 feet. That's the maximum height. Now the next question is that if the ball was hit to center field, which has 8-foot fence located at 410 feet from the home plate. So I'm going to use this for x value and see if the at this value I got the height more than 8 foot or not. If it is less than 8 foot, it's going to not reach the home. If it is greater than, then it's going to hit the home run. So you use the 410 for x value, and when you solve, so square this first and multiply that, you're going to get this as 6.157 feet high. And you can see that this is less than 8 foot, so it means it will not be a home run. So it's only 6.157 feet high at 410 feet away.